Hey everybody, Pastor Padron here, and today I want to talk a little bit about how to cut your cigar. Cutting is important because it is the head, the cap of your cigar that is holding everything in place. The rest of the body, this is the part it's called the foot, that's the part you light. This is the head, this is the part you cut and put into your mouth. You don't want to cut off more than just a little bit. I tell people that you want to treat your cigar like you're a Jewish mohel and not like you're some jihadist trying to make a point. All right. You see on all the mob movies or whatever, keep people taking their cutter and cutting off a good part of their cigar like that. That's not what you want to do. You want to shave just a little bit off the top because that cap is holding the wrapper leaf in place. So just put a little bit like that. See how small that is up there? It's hardly coming through the top. Hardly coming through the top. And then snip it just like that. That is what you want to see. Okay? That's what you want to see right there. Now, there are lots of different ways to cut a cigar. There's lots of different tools. You just saw me use a straight cut. There are perfect cuts. There are V cuts. There's bullet cuts. And I've put together a little montage here to show you how all those different tools work. Hope you enjoy.
Surrounded by leather in my brand new fancy car, rolling with the top down, smoking on a fat cigar. Cool breeze in my head, bittersweet smoke flying through the air. It's the way I feel, smoking on a fat cigar. Look at sweet mama watching me play guitar. She got long black hair and she's smoking on a fat cigar. Black silk stockings and the finest of wine. Those curves and that stogie, she looking so fine. It's the way I feel, smoking on a fat cigar. Fancy clothes, diamonds, and big fine cars wouldn't be the same without a big old fat cigar. Drinking with the boys at Fat Cat Smoking Bar, talking about the master plans that'll make us go far. Such a beautiful, magical dream.